Hello student, today I am going to explain you property of integers. Today I will explain you the properties of addition only. Property number 1 is called closure property. Now you can see this is called closure property. In this property, if there are two integers like a and b, if we add a plus b, the result is, suppose that c is also an integer. Okay, I will take the numerical example. Suppose that 5 minus plus 8, or here is 8. Suppose that we can add the number 8, 5, it is 13. So 5 is also an integer, 8 is also an integer, and their sum is also an integer. So we can say that 13 is also an integer. Moving to the next property, it is called commutative property. Commutative property. In this property, we can change the order of the integers. Suppose that for a plus b or b plus a, the result will be the same. Example, 5 plus 10 or 10 plus 5 will give the same answer. 10, 5, 15, 10, 5, 15. So you can see that order cannot change the result in this property. Now moving to the property number 3, it is called associative property. In this property, suppose that there are three integers like a, b and c. We can make any group of the integers, but the result will be the same. For example, a plus b plus c or a plus b plus c, the result will be same. Example, 3 plus 5 plus 7 and 3 plus 5 plus 7. So you can see that I have made two different groups. First of all, I will add the given number 538 plus 7, and now here also 3 plus 7, 5, 12. Now adding these two numbers, 7, 8, it is 15. 12 plus 3 also 15. You can see left hand side is also 15 and right hand side is also 15. So we have understood that in associative property of addition, if we can make any group of the given integers, but the result will be remain same. Now moving to the next property, it is called additive identity. Additive identity. In this property, for any two integers like a plus 0 is equal to a, or 0 plus a also equal to a, means if we add 0 to any whole number, if we add 0 to any integer, the integer will be same. The integer will be same. For example, 5 plus 0 is equal to 5, minus 5 plus 0 is also minus 5. So we can say that after adding 0 in the integer, the result are same. Now taken as